With the worst debt load and highest unemployment in Canada, the government of Newfoundland and Labrador has signaled a shake-up is coming to straighten out the province's finances. Even $5 billion in federal funding for cost overruns at the Muskrat Falls Hydro project won't solve the crisis, something most Newfoundlanders seem to recognize.
We need to get things back on track, and kind of relying on the federal government to bail us out is not a reliable solution.
Truly fixing the finances could mean making structural changes, something Premier Andrew Furey has yet to do. As Furey considers his options, the province is in a state of apprehension.
We're all waiting on the edge, seeing things get worse, with the potential that maybe oil prices may get a bit better in the next couple of years. But at some point here, we need someone to stand up and say, I know this is going to hurt, but we're going to pull that tooth.
For now, Furey is keeping people guessing. Through his office, he agreed to an interview with Global News, then abruptly pulled out, and there was no response to our request to reschedule. Among those most nervous about what's coming are the province's public servants. They wonder if their crowded parking lots will soon be thinned out. Their union cautions the government against cutting services to the public, like health care.
That's the concern now, trying to balance how we deal with things, not making big mistakes that will have a further negative consequence here in our province.
A province that's endured a series of economic collapses, including the cod moratorium, is once again on the brink of financial disaster. It's the result of a big increase in government spending when oil prices were high, followed by the crash in oil prices, then the pandemic. To successful business owners like Todd Perrin, it's a shame, considering his province is a warehouse of natural resources.
Be it fisheries, be it oil and gas, whatever you feel about how we should be prosecuting the oil and gas industry, hydro, forestry, mining, it's a huge warehouse of all of the things that the world wants and needs.
He hopes the province will realize its full potential once and for all after it emerges from its latest financial crisis. Ross Lord, Global News, St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador.